Hi guys, and welcome to our bedroom retreat, that is. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a tour, and we'll just start right here. First of all, if you notice the wall got little glitter specks in it. That was my idea. And then we have this lovely board. What is this called, Eddie?
Floating shelf.
A floating shelf from Walmart, and all of our frames are from Walmart as well. The candles are from, what's that store in Kennesaw?
At home.
At Home. So yeah, you zoomed in. I really love this wood. I thought it was just so pretty and just so natural looking. Nothing too much, but it just have a little detail in the wood. So we move around. This is Edison's nightstand, and this is all his junk. I'm messing with you, but I saw this at Hobby Lobby, and I just thought it was so cute. So I just bought that to sit on his nightstand. And of course, he have his Bible, his book, and camera. And yeah, I bought some flowers. These are from Walmart. And Edison fell in love with the vase. Some people call it a vase, but we call it a vase where we from. And it is from Target. Okay, and it is so pretty. I love the detail on here. So cute. And of course, when you read, you need your light. So you have this little light, and of course your phone. And so moving along, the window, we got this from Walmart. Yeah, I think Walmart. And I just had the vision in my head that we wanted the room to be like a wedding place just for us. It was around our anniversary time, and I kept looking up different wedding events, wedding things, I don't know, but like cabins, everything I saw, it just was so natural and bright and beautiful, and just more natural lighting. The colors were natural, and I just fell in love with it, and put that together with wedding stuff. That's the vibe we get from our bedroom. So natural and like wedding style. Yes. Okay, moving along to the bed. We've had our canopy. It is overdue for another one. I was ready to buy another one. Edison was like, no, let's just wash this one and it'll be just fine. So this is our canopy, and we added lights, which you'll see in another clip later. And these are our pillows. This tag's supposed to be at the bottom. So yeah, these are the pillows. We got the pillows from Walmart, and this pillow came from that same store, At Home. So yeah, really love it. It gave a different vibe. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all this pillow a little closer because I just love it. It has the glitter specks on it, and it's just very shaky. It got that shimmer, that shimmy shake on it. It is so cute. We have to put another pillowcase on 2 of these pillows, but I was like, I'm going to record this video, and it is what it is. All right. Sheets from Target. Edison picked these out, and the good thing was we had a lot of things in common that we liked as far as the natural. I think this is probably the first time we agreed on just about everything for the room. I guess because it's just, you hear the birds in the background, just beautiful. We got the window open. And so yeah, this is a blanket we already have. And when, of course, we're cold, we just grab it. And then inside it's just like Paris. And that looks good when it's spread out. I'll probably try to insert a clip if I can. And one of my favorite pieces in the room is my bench. I fell in love with this bench, and it's from TJ Maxx, and Edison bought it for me because I left it at the store. I was like, I'm not paying that much for this bench. And so he surprised me for our anniversary, and he got it for me. And just added this Hello pillow just to, add a little something to it. And this is from, one of my girls gave me this when she was off campus. She wasn't in college anymore. So she was like, you can have it, Miss Shandrika. So I was like, yes, thank you. But I just love it, love the detail on it. It's so comfortable. But anyway, that bench is amazing. And we've never had anything in front our bed, but this is the first thing. Okay, guys, so on this bench, I really like to sit and take some time to write down my thoughts, just journal, or even read my Bible here. But I just love it. It's so comfy. And this is just a black sleigh bed we've had, what, almost 10 years when we got the house? So, or 8 years.
Probably 8.
And this is my side. You can just secure that. All right, because it's getting dark outside, guys. So, yes, this is my side. Same base. My friend gave me this. She designed a life that she loved. So I have that there. And Isaiah made me this with this little butterfly. I got a little taste of the kids over here. And I have my night snacks hiding behind there. Because you never know when you might want to munch. And this is my diploma that my vase is sitting on. I don't know why I just have it here. But yes, I know y'all didn't think I went to college. And my Bible and pens and stuff for journaling or writing in my Bible. You need chapstick? Yes, this is supposed to be in the shop. I don't know why this is here, but this is from one of my boys. I won't say one of my boys, but one of the boys that we mentored growing up. When he was growing up, he was a teenager. He's a man now, a kid. But Glenn has these awesome oils for your hair. He has locks and he started these. They're $7 each. So if you're interested, I can link that below. And y'all make sure y'all follow his channel. Hey guys, so I totally forgot to tell y'all about the mirror. It is actually from Walmart. If I'm not mistaken, it was $65. I liked it because it was so tall and it just added a different element and lighting to the room. But as y'all see, my shoes, my slippers, I'm always trying to see what slippers I want to wear in the morning, anytime. So I just line them all here, and the ones that I choose, I put those on, and then I just slide the others back. But these are one of my favorites because they have batteries and they're massage slippers. So I just sit there and let my feet have a great massage. But Edison needs to give me some more batteries. And moving along to this side of the wall, I told y'all about Edison's side, but I don't think I said that we need to get more pictures. Yeah, so we're in the process of printing out pictures. Even these pictures probably won't stay. We want black and white pictures, or maybe one color picture here and 2 black and white pictures. Maybe one from our wedding on each side, and just others of us, just taken throughout the years. So that's that. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this wall has the glitter specks in it as well. And we did do the painting ourselves. All right, and as y'all can see, though, we just went with a white sheer curtain because it just looked, it's just simple. It's plain, but we like it. And we went with this, a different color on this side. Let me move the ring back. We went with this tan color, khaki color, and it's sheer as well. And so we have 3 windows. And if you're wondering what that silver thing is, if you know, then you know. It's dusty, y'all. I'm gonna get better, huh, Eddie? Mm-hmm.
For the past
it's dusty, poke thing in Jesus' name. Hey, look, after my knee, but knee better now. I can use it now. This is something I said made me today, so I'm just gonna keep that. This is just my jewelry box. I did redo this. Eddie, look, they're still in here. That is so crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, so I need to organize that. I did not organize that part, but I do have everything else pretty much organized. Yeah, just some big bracelets. Yeah, the rest of my jewelry in the closet, that's a whole nother tour. But yeah, so now we are moving on to this side of the room. And as you can see, we have the Mr. and Mrs. sign going right across, and that is from Hobby Lobby. And by the way, the curtains are from Walmart, and I was very particular about the ones that I wanted to choose, and that was like for the whole room really. But this is from Hobby Lobby, and I have this here too as well from Hobby Lobby, and it's just my jewelry box and holy oil. Never know when we need to anoint each other in here, and our blessed sign. And Edison did Psalm 90:17. So that's what we write different scriptures on it, and that's what it was today. I don't know what this is on here, but somebody actually gave us this dresser, and yeah, it was free, and I was looking for one, And when I saw this one, I was like, yay, finally we get one. And it was free, so you can't beat that. I was like, thank you, God. Even the small things, you just make sure we have. And these are just Edison's of Father's Day things that he got from the boys they made. And so I just thought that was so sweet of them. And we have our little candles. Like I said, they light up. You use the remote, they come on. This just makes stars, beautiful stars on the wall or ceiling. And these mirrors, this set came from Family Dollar, and we've had these a while. I'm surprised the one never failed. And that's basically it for this side. These two balls, I just thought it looked so pretty. I added yarn. They came from a thrift store, and the yarn came from the thrift store. I just had an idea to just let that hang down. I think I seen something like that on Pinterest. I was like, that would look so cute in our room. So, of course, the boys like to come mess with them. That's why this one is hanging. So I'm gonna have to fix it. So I just had it up some kind of way. But anyway, that's that. And I like the fan now that our room is like this. I was thinking about getting it changed, but I think it's so pretty with the vibe of the room. Our Grace and Peace sign, that is from Hobby Lobby. When I saw that, I didn't know where I wanted it, but I was like, hey, do you like it up here? And he was like, yeah. So that's where we're going to keep it. So I think that's pretty much it. As you can do another 360 of the room, but we just really love it. And one thing y'all would notice that we don't have a TV in our room, and we never plan to have one. Our boys don't have a TV in the room. We only have a TV in the shop downstairs and our living room. So our room is our sanctuary. Our room is our like haven. We just come here and we might talk in the bed, do our scriptures, do other things, and yeah. So we just have our place that we, just like to come. It's serene. It's quiet. There's no, I don't even know how to explain it, but we just like it. We just like it. It's just quiet. It's peaceful. And this is where we come. One of my favorite things is definitely when we are praying together and we are reading the Bible together. I just love it, and it is very attractive to me for Edison to do those things, not only with me, but with his sons as well. So I really enjoy every moment that he picks up the Bible and include us, even when I see him doing it alone. That's just bonding time, and we love it. We made our room what we wanted it to be, and that's just what it is. It's peaceful. Our whole home is, actually. So yeah. Okay, guys, so this is how the room looks at night. It is so pretty. Sorry, y'all hear the voice in the background. We have the window still open. It's just like nice vibes, quiet, serene. That's how we like it. The fan is going. And I just still can't believe that this is actually our room. We love it. And it is a great space for us. You can just kind of do what you want in your own room, Make it your oasis. Make it reflect you. And I guess some of the things that you may like. So yeah, we love lights. But we just love peace, most of all. We love peace. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. I enjoyed doing it for you. I know the canopy is crooked, but I'll fix it later. It is what it is. Let me know what y'all think. You can leave a comment below. Once again, thanks for watching, and you can do whatever you want to do to your own room to make it yours. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, honestly, we were just going to pretend to be praying just for a clip or a few pics for this video, but once we got down there, we started praying for real, praying over our marriage, our friends' marriages, and I just ask that you do the same for your marriage. Sometimes we get silly. Well, I don't say get silly while we pray, but you'll see us laugh here. But I don't know, it's just a joyful spirit in our room, and we were just laughing during prayer, but we just encourage all marriages to stick together, hang in there if you're going through something, see what the problem is, bring it to God, and you can definitely try your best to work through it. So don't be mad at each other, but fix the problem that's causing you to be mad at each other. So it's not time to play the blame game and this or that, but just try to take a different approach to your marriage. See if sometimes you need to be quiet as as your spouse speaks or whatever it might be. But I know if we put a little more effort in all of our marriages, it can be much better than what it is now. And that is going to bring glory and honor to God, and that should always be our priority, no matter what. I love you, and Jesus love you too.